In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Python. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Python installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Python download page. Here I will click on download Python. And after that, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on it, and then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the NuGet package. I will double click the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet Package Explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools. Then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I will double click on Chocolatey install script and then on this Edit button. After that, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, then it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. And to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go back to my package and insert the snippet here. And for it to work, we need to provide few values. For example, here I need to provide my installation file name, and for that I will go back to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select the full name to include the extension, right click again and copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter Python. Then for the file type, I need to enter exe because the installation file that I'm using has the .exe extension. And now we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, I will go back to my GitHub page once again, and here I have all the silent switches that I will be using for this package. So I will click on this button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's it for modifying this script. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For package ID, I will enter Python. Then for the package version, I will enter 3.12.1. We can see the version number on the installation file name right here. Now for the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation. And for the description, I will enter Python package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to enter. So now I'll save the bits of information by clicking on this save button. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And I will also be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will be trying to install this package. So to save this package, I will click on Save, and now we can try to install it. And for that, I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install the software. And here I will type choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID that you can see here. So in this case, it's Python. Then because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. Now I will open another PowerShell window. Here I will type py and we can try print. And let's type hello world and press enter. And it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.